If you are preparing to change a light in a tight space like this closet, join me and I'll show you all the steps necessary to have your project succeeded. Today I'm in a closet, literally. That's the entrance, and it's actually pretty nice. The challenge with this closet is this loose light. Now, before you go in a closet or any tight space, you want to consider all your preparations. You want to have all your tools with you. You want to have your voltage meters. You want to have comfortable clothes. And cover your head because you know you might encounter dust, spider web. We have two black wires connected to this fixture. It's because we have this jump box. This one is hot. Now this black wire is not. Take the electrical tape and mark it for the future generations. They'll thank you. Okay. And then once we install it, we're gonna remove the electrical tape from the other side. Don't forget, go and switch off the breaker. So before you start disassembling this old fixture, do not throw away the bolts or the screws that used to connect this fixture to the electrical box. Why? Because they might not be standard. And when you install your mounting bracket, which is this one, it might not be fitting whatever you have here. To give you an example, this was the bolt attaching this guy to the electrical box. That means that the hole here is truly twice larger than the bolts I have. So I have to figure out how to attach my fixture to this guy, and I'm not gonna change this electrical box. Just go and disconnect the wires. Okay, put these guys back on. Do the same on the other side. Take your fixture and first install the mounting bracket. So this will be your mounting bracket. Okay, so just need to find the position and install it. Now in this case you can actually consider using power tools. I'm still gonna go with screwdriver. So now I need to install the second screw, which is twice larger, and the hole for it and the thread for it is twice larger than the standard one. So I'm gonna find one and I'm gonna install it. So to be very honest, I could not find anything even nearly close to this monster, and the threading for this monster cannot do anything. So we're gonna do a little bit of trick. So have your self-drilling screw, something like this. Just make sure that it's very sharp, and then you want to put something on the other side that you can screw your screw in, and this way you will create your own nut on the other side, and you're gonna just use your screw punching through this material. Now all you need is to go through that plastic, and the screw will do the rest. Let me show you. So this is plastic on one side, and you might not see, but there is one on the other side, and this screw went through and basically it connected this, see, very tight. Take your fixture and make sure that you stripped out all the wires. Now first, of course, you want to attach the ground. So the next step, you attach hot wire, and you want to do the same with the neutral. The next step, you want to go and insert the bulb, and you want to test out your installation. Okay, so you can see the light is on because the doors are open. Now let's pretend they're closing. The doors are opening. The light is on. That's how the jump switch works. Now go and switch off the breaker again and continue the installation. In this very common ceiling light, you have this plafond, but you will not see any screws to attach the plafond. So here it has little threads, and here it basically punched 3 times. So what you want to do, you want to find the threads, you want to install it, and then you want to rotate. Put all the wiring back on. See, there'll be different heights of the bolts. So now you just want to align your bolts. So this one a little bit more, and this one is a little bit less. Probably want to install it this way. You will have these little nuts that you want to put on, and you want to screw it. Take the bulb and put it inside. Now, in this case, the bulb is a little bit larger. You can measure, or you can see what type of bulb is needed. It's actually A15. So we'll snap a picture. And then next time we'll come back, we install the right bulb. Now we want to test the installation, and the project is complete. So I went ahead and I changed the bulb. Let's test it out. Let's open it up. So the installation is complete, and this is how we change the light fixtures in limited spaces.